Most people using N8N right now have no idea just how powerful their AI agents just became. These 3 game-changing updates will quietly separate the amateurs from the automation kings. N8N just rolled out 3 massive updates to their AI agent system. And on the surface, they might seem minor, but if you know how to use them, you can build AI agent-powered workflows that replace employees, save thousands in token costs, and run like fully autonomous teams. Let me show you exactly what changed and why most users are going to miss it. And if you're serious about AI automation, hit like and subscribe to my channel. I break down real systems that make money, not theory. The first one's very subtle, but it's huge for reliability. And this one's called the fallback model. So if your primary model fails, for example, I'm using Gemini Pro, and this could be for API errors, you've surpassed your quota, or you're using a model where you've run out of credits, the agent will automatically switch to a backup model. So you can see in this example, I've gone from Gemini Pro, which is the primary model. If it fails, it will go to ChatGPT 4o mini. Now this is important because most people run productions with one API key. And if this fails, your entire flow will break. And this matters if you're running automations for clients. So the way to set this up is to make sure that you are running the latest instance of N8N. And if you're not sure how to do that, just head over to the admin panel here and find the latest version, but one that's the most stable. Then bring up the AI agent. And inside here, you've got an option that says enable fallback model. And everything else is set up exactly how you see it with the system message. And the prompt can be from a chat trigger or from whatever trigger you have. And then what you can do is you can connect 2 models here. So for the first one, I've connected Gemini Pro 2.5. This is a model that I like and I use it for intense deep research and if I want better quality. And at this moment in time, Gemini Pro is completely free. But if it fails, I can also add a secondary model. So in this example, I've got ChatGPT 4o mini and you can see it's just connected up as you normally would. Now you can build robust systems that self-recover without rebuilding prompts or logic. The second update is AI agents as a tool. This is the secret weapon most users won't touch because they don't know it's possible. N8N now lets you embed agents as tools. And if you think about it, the possibilities are endless because AI agent tools can call other tools that are also AI agents. And with this one feature, you can build an army of AI agents which can replace any task inside of your organization. You can build layered role-based systems. So for example, AI agent 1 here is the orchestrator agent. This is the surface level agent. It will take very basic prompts and it will generate the output at the surface level. Now you can use a very basic model for this. So I've plugged in Gemini Flash, which is quick. But let's say you want to do some more intense deep research. You can now plug in an AI agent tool, which will then use a higher quality language model like 2.5 Pro. This takes longer to generate the output, but the quality is much higher than Flash. You can also plug in other tools like Perplexity and you can do deep research on the web. With embedded agents, you can run tasks like emailing, deep research, calendar tasks, summarizing, and more. And in a future video, I'll build an automation that utilizes each of these tasks. And what's great is that each sub-agent has its own prompt, model, memory, and tools. You're not just writing prompts anymore. You're building modular, self-contained AI units that delegate, specialize, and scale. The last update is the model selector node. And you can find that in the nodes panel here. And is this model selector. Now what's great about the model selector is it allows you to select up to 10 different language models. Let's say you want Gemini Flash for speed, but Gemini Pro for precision and high quality. Now you can add the model selector node that dynamically routes tasks to the right model. You can route based on confidence score, use case, token budget, even workflow stage. This means that workflows adapt in real time instead of using the same brute force model for every task. Most people will keep defaulting to OpenAI ChatGPT for everything, but you will be switching models intelligently, saving money and delivering high quality results. Together, these 3 unlock resilient AI workflows, full modular agent systems, token optimized model switching. And the funny thing is, most users will miss all this because it's not flashy, but it is extremely powerful. I'm already using these with my AI agency to build aggressive lead generation agents with fallback models, run outbound flows where one agent calls another, and even auto-select models based on their complexity. These aren't just ideas. These are client-ready systems that I'm running today. And if you want to know how you can use tools like N8N AI to make money, click on the link in the description and subscribe to my private AI community. In here, I'll show you exactly how I use AI to generate a $10,000 a month AI agency. I've got different workflows, I've got different strategies, and there's a bunch of very interesting people inside of the group. Some of us are agency owners, some work for startups, and others are just looking for AI side hustles. There's also a classroom to show you how you can make money with AI. So if you want to launch your AI agency 16 days, days, I'll show you how to do that from start to finish. I've also got an AI automations and blueprint section. So everything I talk about on this channel, you can download inside of this section here. And all you have to do is just download the JSON file and upload it inside of your N8N account. So it'll save you a ton of time and it will help you generate revenue. Either that's through your AI agency or through the side hustles that I talk about in this private community. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button if you enjoyed it, leave me a comment, I'll respond to all of them, and turn your notifications on so you'll know when the next video drops. Thanks for your time and have a great day.